Okay, Philip. What'd you do today at school?
I played.
Nothing.
I ate lunch. I ate lunch.
That's all you did in school? Just eat?
No, I ate lunch.
And you be fat.
Peter, stop it.
I went to Coach PE. I ran 20 miles.
You did not run 20 miles.
All the way to the tree is 20 miles.
No, it's not.
There was a big tree and it said it was 20 miles.
No, it isn't.
No, it cost the
Only
tree
10
got
miles.
You like your teacher, Philip?
Yes!
What's her name, Philip?
Miss Rivers.
Miss who?
Rivers.
Miss Rivers. So, is she your favorite teacher?
What?
Is she your favorite teacher so far?
Yes.
Yes.
What about Mrs. Colley? I like Mrs. Colley. Your kindergarten.
I hate Mr. Colley.
Alright, no more acting up. Okay, you want to say anything else?
Yeah.
What you want to say?
Stupid.
No, you're not. Stop